Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make chicken stew. Whenever you make stew, make it with bones. You'll get all the nutrients from the bones. It's a great friend for arthritis, muscle and joint pain. Having it regularly will help in overall health. Let's start cooking. First, let's cook the chicken in a pressure cooker. I'm adding 750 grams of chicken, 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic, a few curry leaves, 3 green chillies, some salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Mix all of this well. Add half a cup of water. Water will ooze off from the meat also, so half cup is good enough. Cover and cook for 10 minutes or keep for 2 to 3 whistles, depends upon the meat. Let's cut the veggies. Cut the potato into two and then into slices. Then into strips like this. It will cook faster and you can save your time. Cut into chunks, then into slices. Then cut in strips. This is 1 potato, 1 carrot and a handful of beans. This is frozen ones. I have washed, cut and kept it in the freezer. I have added 2 cups of water. That's good enough for the vegetables to cook. And I'm using chicken cubes here. If you don't like it, just skip it. This is optional. Cover and cook for 3 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now. Let's check the chicken. Chicken is cooked well. Veggies are cooked. It's perfect. Let's add the chicken into the veggies. We are not adding corn flour or maida to the stew, so mash some potatoes to get thick consistency. This will thicken your stew. Mix all of this well. Let it boil for 1 or 2 minutes. Add a cup of coconut milk Mix well. In this stage, you should check for some salt. After adding coconut milk, let it boil for a minute, then turn off the flame. Tempering for stew. In a small pan, add 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil. I am adding 1-inch cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms, 4 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Just fry it for 30 seconds. I'm adding 4 green chillies and a handful of small onions, also called shallots. Fry it for a minute. Add the seasoning to the stew. Give it a good mix. Try this recipe, you will definitely like it. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!